My name is Vasco Monteiro. I'm the plant manager and the quality manager at MCG Automotive. Our quality strategy is 0 ppms. Why? Because we also have 0 ppms from our customer, and the better we perform, the better the total customer satisfaction. In terms of our strategy aims at having big machines in time, in spec, and in the shop floor. What does this mean? This means that we are able to measure in time and have in-time measurements and know exactly at the time that the piece is coming out how it is, if it's okay and not okay. This has also helped us in the past to go a little more less reactive, more maintenance, more predictive in terms of planning. Our relationship with Hexagon is over 30 years now. We have still the original machines from Hexagon, which means they are reliable and they are working very well. As we need to move on with new technologies, we search the market, and our main goal was to find, let's say, the cutting technology that we needed. Hexagon was our first choice, and also again the best choice, because we've now implemented the system and it has been performing according to the needs, so we can say that we are now up to standard and up to date in terms of technology, thanks to Hexagon. The investment paid off already. Why? Because we have a major gain in terms of the time we spend to measure. In the past, we used to take about 60 to 120 minutes in terms of measurement of one part, and now we can do the same thing in 15 minutes. This allows us to have, let's say, a bigger reaction in terms of when we are producing, and in case of we have anything wrong, we can reduce the amount of scrap or the amount of ratio not okay parts that we have.